Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to find large files on Linux. So in order to find large files on Linux, I will show you how to do it in terminal. So I will go into show apps and press on terminal, and right there I will use the command find with some options. And right now, first option will be of course the place where we want to find the file. I will do it at the beginning on my home directory, so that's basically where I am right now. And right now we have to specify the type that we want to look for. So in my case it will be file, so minus type f stands for file, and we have to specify the size, so minus size. And for example, we want we want to display the files with a size that is bigger than, for example, 100 megabytes. And that's basically how we can do it. We can press enter. As you can see, I have only one file that is bigger than 100 megabytes. It's in our downloads directory, and it's the Discord installer basically. So that's how we can do it. We can show the results with the more readable file sizes. So for example, right now we don't have any file sizes. How do we display them? We can do something like this. Again, we have to type in this command, basically the same way that we did it before. So minus type f minus size and plus 100 megabytes. And right now we have to type in minus exec, and we will display ls. So we will list the sizes with the more readable in the more readable way because of the h option. And right now we can do something like this. So we will do this braces and something like this. And right now we can do awk command. If you don't know how awk command work, you can watch the video. I made the video about this. And right now we can print the 9th column like this, and the 5th column, so like this. And we can close that. We can press enter, and as you can see, we have the exact size of this file. It is 100 megabytes after this double dot. So as you can see, it is working, and everything is working fine. So right now we can of course find the large file from the whole system. It requires sudo because we will look for some catalogs that basically requires sudo to use it. And right now, how to find the file from the whole system? We have to use just a slash sign, so like this, and basically we can type the same. So type f minus size. We will maybe choose the bigger size because we want the files from the whole system, so plus 500 megabytes, for example. And again, we can basically use it like this. So I will press enter right now, type in my password, and as you can see, we have two catalogs that we don't have permission even with using sudo. So that's kind of interesting, but it's not important right now. We have to wait because we are searching basically the whole system. It might take a longer time that it took than it took right there when we had like 10 folders for example. So as you can see, we have some files, we have some errors, but it's not important. We have these files. We can, for example, count these files. So for example, we want to count how many lines of how many files we have. So for example, I can use wc command to count it. Again, I can do it, and as you can see, I have these errors, they are not counted, and I have the number 7 because we have 7 files right there. And again, I can use this thing that I use right there. So again, I can find it like this. So find basically, of course, with sudo. So find slash minus type f minus size plus 500 megabytes, and right now minus exec ls minus lh, this braces, and so on, and awk comment. We can print the 9th column. I will do it like this, and after the double dot we will do something like this, and I think it should work. We will wait, but of course we have these errors. As you can see, it is 1.7 gigabytes, it is 500, it is 900, 500, and 530, and 560, 17, and 517. So as you can see, this is how it works. This is how you can basically look for the large files on Linux. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.